Hello students, welcome to your EVS class, session 3. In our previous two sessions, we learned about Anita's journey of beekeeping. Now let us move further to get some more knowledge about honeybees. But before that, let's take a look at the solution for the homework. Students, read the answers carefully and write them in your notebook. Solution for the homework. Question number 1. What do people do when the bee has stung? Answer. People usually put lime, which is commonly known as chuna, on the part of the body where the bee has stung. Question number 2. What will be the cost of Anita's 20 boxes? Answer. The cost of one box is rupees 2000. So Anita's 20 boxes will cost rupees 40,000. 20 boxes into rupees 2000. Now students, this is really an interesting part in your textbook. Now we will see here how honeybees work. You can see here a picture of a beehive. In a beehive, there are queen bees, male bees and worker bees. Most of the bees in a hive are worker bees. They work all the day, suck the nectar and make a hive. But do you know students how these worker bees actually work? It is very interesting. Let us learn. When one bee finds a flower with a nectar, she starts dancing, and this way other bees also come to know that there is a nectar. If there are no worker bees, there would not be any hive. So from this we can say that honeybees live in a group called a colony. And you know who are the members of this honeybee colony? Yes, they are queen bee, worker bee and drone or a male bee. A queen bee lays eggs and make a colony or a group. A worker bee lands on a flower and sucks the nectar with the use of its tongue. And we all know what is a nectar, right? It is a sweet, clear liquid inside the flower. There are very few male bees in a hive. They do not have stingers and they do not collect nectar. One more amazing thing you all must have noticed is the pattern of a honeycomb. Right, children? Yes, you can see that each hole in a beehive is a hexagon shape. That is, each hole is perfectly six-sided. Isn't it amazing? Now children, there are many more insects which work the same way as honeybee. These insects are also hardworking. Ants live and work exactly the same as honeybees. The queen ant lays eggs and soldier ants work in a team to bring food and protect their nest. Similarly, termites and wasps also work in a similar manner. So, this brings us to the end of our chapter. I hope this lesson has really helped you all to increase your knowledge about honeybees and the beekeeping. Now it's time for homework. There are 3 questions given here. You have to write their answers in your notebook. Question number 1. What are the different colors of honey that you have seen? Question number 2. Have you seen where ants live? Question number 3. By which food items ants are attracted? That's all for the day, children. I hope you enjoyed this session. Children, read the chapter thoroughly for better understanding. Bye for now. Thank you.